What's up, guys? I'm in the middle of working on doing some patchwork on the roof, finishing up the Bondo. Video to come up on that later. Figured while I have the camera out, I would make this little intro for this video of me lightening the doors and just removing all of the unnecessary material out of them. And I don't remember how much weight exactly I lost. I'm going to have to weigh them again. I'll post those numbers up after this video. Alright, thanks. Going to work on trimming off this door panel. So I had it stripped down here. This started out weighing 48 pounds. Right now, I want to say we're 26, and this is just the back door. So really looking forward to be able to lose some weight off this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this entire interior panel off and then take the crash bar out because this is the back and the roll cage supplements all the safety equipment. So it's just dead weight. All right. That's the door trimming that I've gotten done. I didn't weigh them again, I can't find my scale, but I know for a fact the rear started out being 43 pounds, and I want to say, last time I weighed them they were down to 28, and that was before I took the crash bar out, so we got to be at least down at 26 pounds. Probably almost a 70-pound weight savings at the end of the day by the time we get all done with this, which, I mean, that's not an insignificant number at all. So yeah, I am so close to getting done doing the Bondo on the roof. It's not pretty, and I don't know, comment on this video on how much Bondo I've put on the roof of that thing. It's a shocking amount, but at least it's halfway level, and it's a little warm here right now, and winter is right around the corner. I will be able to get the thing on a trailer soon, and hopefully it stays warm enough where I can get some paint on this thing. I'll have a video of the fiasco of doing the roof and then any other body work that I have, and yeah, it's slow moving, but there is still progress happening on this thing.